Vivara, I have taken that image, so let's edit it by using the different features. First of all, I will create a shape on it. So that is the shape we have. So for further features, I will use the background eraser tool. That it is. And we will make further changes. There are the gradients on it, but I will undo. There it is, the changes. Applies on hue and saturation. So we will go back to the background. So for these changes, hue and saturation, mix up the color. Magenta, make it yellow. Thank you for watching.